Hi guys, now I'm gonna start with another room which is the bomb shelter. So as you can see, I already prepared everything. Also, I put plastic on the floor so that the paint won't touch the floor. This few things. I'm gonna sand the wall and then I'm gonna apply the cutting. So let's see how long I'm gonna paint this room. Okay, now I'm gonna apply the cutting. I'm gonna apply the cutting edge. With this brush. This is for the corner. The shape of this is like that, and it has flat on the seat. I applied only half. As you can see, I'm already done with all the edges. Around the room, it looks messy. And then now, I'm gonna start with the roller. I am finally done. I also did this ceiling and this wall and this wall and this shelter. It's all white. Very clean.